What if I told you this humble 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4 is worth an incredible $69,900? Let's find out why collectors are obsessed with it. The Toyota pickup has earned a reputation that very few vehicles in automotive history can match. It isn't famous because it was the fastest truck ever built or because it offered the most luxurious interior. Instead, it became a global legend through unmatched reliability, rugged capability, and engineering that refused to quit. Today, we're looking at an extraordinary 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4 that takes everything enthusiasts love about this iconic truck and presents it in stunning collector quality condition. Finished in a gorgeous glossy dark red exterior with classic decal graphics, this incredible example is now listed for an impressive $69,900. From the very first glance, this truck commands attention. The rich dark red paint shines beautifully under the lights, highlighting every straight body panel and every crisp factory line. Bright chrome front and rear bumpers perfectly complement the classic Toyota styling, while polished chrome accents give the truck a timeless appearance. The factory-inspired decals remind everyone exactly what made these trucks famous during the early 1990s. Every angle tells a story of careful restoration and preservation. Walk around the truck and you'll immediately notice the practical upgrades that make it ready for both adventure and display. A durable drop-in bed liner protects the cargo bed, while the rear sliding window adds convenience and classic style. Sitting confidently on 15-inch wheels wrapped in aggressive 31 by 10.5 R15 tires at both the front and rear, this Toyota has the perfect stance. It's tough without looking overbuilt, maintaining the clean factory character that collectors appreciate. Lift the hood and you'll find one of the most respected engines Toyota has ever produced, the legendary 22RE Inline 4. This power plant has earned worldwide recognition for incredible durability and dependable performance. Equipped with electronic fuel injection, the engine delivers smooth throttle response and reliable starting in nearly every condition. It may not produce massive horsepower numbers, but that's never been the purpose of the 22RE. Its reputation was built on reliability, efficiency, and the ability to keep going year after year, mile after mile. Backing the dependable engine is a highly desirable 5-speed manual transmission that gives the driver complete control over every shift. Whether cruising through town or climbing rocky trails, the manual gearbox creates a driving experience that feels connected and engaging. Combined with a 4.10 1-gear ratio, this setup provides excellent low-speed torque for off-road adventures while remaining comfortable on the highway. Toyota engineered this truck with the simplicity and durability in mind. The open differential provides predictable handling, while power steering makes maneuvering surprisingly easy. Power brakes offer confident stopping performance, giving the driver assurance whether navigating city streets or rough terrain. Take a closer look underneath, and the quality of this restoration becomes even more apparent. The black painted frame presents beautifully and reflects careful attention to detail. A factory-style exhaust system preserves the authentic character of the truck, while the original-style skid plate reminds you that this pickup was designed to venture far beyond paved roads. Even the spare tire remains in place, completing the truck's practical and authentic presentation. Step inside and you'll discover an interior that perfectly captures Toyota's philosophy of durability and function. The gray cloth bench seat offers comfortable seating while maintaining the original factory appearance. Matching gray carpeting complements the clean interior design, and the vinyl dashboard has the straightforward layout that made these trucks famous. Factory gauges provide all the essential information clearly and simply, while the original factory radio brings a touch of nostalgic charm that instantly transports you back to the early 1990s. Unlike many modern trucks filled with complicated technology, this Toyota focuses on the essentials. Every control is exactly where it should be. Every switch feels purposeful. It's a reminder that true quality doesn't require unnecessary complexity. The beauty of this 1991 Toyota pickup 4X4 lies in its honesty. Nothing about it feels exaggerated. Every feature was engineered to perform a specific job, and decades later, those design decisions continue to earn respect from enthusiasts all around the world. That's exactly why values for clean, original, and restored Toyota pickups have risen dramatically in recent years. Collectors understand that vehicles like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Many were used exactly as intended, working hard on farms, construction sites, trails, and mountain roads. Finding one restored to this standard with factory-inspired details, beautiful paint, and such an impressive presentation is becoming exceptionally rare at an asking price of $69,900. This isn't simply an old pickup truck. It's an investment in one of Toyota's greatest engineering achievements. It's a vehicle that represents reliability, simplicity, and durability better than almost anything else from its era. Whether displayed in a private collection, driven to weekend car shows, or occasionally taken onto scenic back roads, this Toyota continues to prove why its reputation has endured for more than 3 decades. The 1991 Toyota pickup 4X4 isn't about luxury measured in leather seats or massive touchscreens. Its luxury comes from exceptional craftsmanship, legendary dependability, timeless design, and the confidence that it was built to last. That's why collectors continue searching for examples exactly like this one, and that's why this remarkable truck stands proudly as one of the most desirable classic Japanese pickups on the market today. If you enjoyed this incredible classic Toyota, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing classic cars, legendary trucks, rare collector vehicles, and automotive masterpieces from around the world.